Let me say that Senate leader, I believe the Senate has a way of diffusing tension. This is a very important bill, considering the fact that we are about to go into elections. So if we rush it, we regret at the tribunal. So if we get it right, then all Nigerians will smile, and we have a free and fair election. Particularly where Senator Tambuwal is looking at me. so, so maybe he thought I was going to rush it. I'm not going to rush it. I will satisfy you. So that even if it's APC, you will come to, or ADC, or LIP, wherever you want to. There will be sanctity. That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm looking at you. You said there's going to be an A inside where you contest. That's a good one. Well, you're welcome. So we take our time, and then we make sure we do the needful, and we ensure that justice is done to all and sundry, and the bill will save the interests of Nigerians and ensure free and transparent elections. Leader of the Senate.